Welcome back. Vision Multi-Speciality Hospital in Mapsa organized a free medical camp. The camp received a good response as specialized doctors diagnosed the beneficiaries.
Many people attended the super speciality camp at Vision Hospital. Specialized doctors examined patient.
अल्टिमेट एम कितें तर आमच्या ह्या कॅम्पाचे की इतल्या कॅम्पान इवन थोडे तरी पेशंटांचे तांकां फुडें व्हडलो कितें डिजीज जावचो असलो की रोग हो जावचो न्हू म्हणून जर आतां आमकां जर एक 10% पेशंटांक जरी कळ्ळें जाल्यार वील बी मोर हॅप्पी.
It was a free medical advice and medication.
ह्या हॉस्पिटला तर्फे आमी वेगवेगळे कन्सल्टंट एक बरे तरेची सोय पेशंटा लागून उपलब्ध करून दिवपाचो एक प्रयत्न करतात आणि त्याची जाणीव आमच्या लोकांपर्यंत पावची आणि त्यांनी ह्या सोयीचो पुरेपूर लाभ घेवचो ही अपेक्षा धरून आम्ही हो कॅम्प सगळ्या लोकां खातीर कंडक्ट केल्लो आसलो.
Shamsundar Fatte for Prudent Media.
Now news from sports. The build-up to the elections of Goa Cricket Association's managing committee for 2012-15 is gaining momentum. The elections will be held on 22nd July. The GCA is currently being headed by Vinod Fadke following a coup against Advocate Dayanand Narvekar in May. Due to the change in leadership, the elections that were scheduled for May had to be postponed to July. Cricket fraternity in state is certainly watching the proceedings with far more interest than before.
The forms will be accepted on 7th, 8th and 9th. That is the 3 days. 10th I think is the scrutiny. 11th is the final list of the contesting candidates. Okay. If there are more people than the post, there will be an election.
This is the team that is currently playing out the slog overs of their innings. What is in store for them cannot be predicted. But the cricket enthusiasts are speculating a complete cleanup of the association. The cricket fraternity wants majority of good character former Ranji cricketers to control the State Cricket Association. Here are the names of those who have taken nomination forms for the elections. President category Shashikant Sardesai. Ordinary member category Hemant Angle, Nakul Mamal, Mahesh Kandolkar, Sanjay Naik, Santosh V. Katkar, Prakash Fatte. Life member category Prashant Kakode, Sudin Kamath, Shravan Dubashish. There are in all 15 positions on the managing committee, 1 post of president, 13 posts of ordinary members and 1 post of life member. The 110 clubs will vote for president and ordinary members election process, while a life member is elected by the current life members, who are 1,350 in total till date. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.